Hello guys, I am Ajay Jadhav. So today's our topic is this keyword and super keyword, and today's date is 22 December 2022. So the this and the super keyword is a reserved word that are used in a different context. Besides this, Java also provide this and super constructor that are used in the constructor context. So now we'll see in a super keyword. So reserve keyword used to call the base class method or variables is known as super keyword, and we cannot use the super keyword as an identifier. So the super keyword is not only used to refer to the base class instance, but also a static member too. So now we'll see super constructor. So the super constructor is mainly used for invoking base class member function and constructor. So next one is this keyword and this constructor. So first we will see about this keyword. So it is reserve keyword in Java that is used to refer to the current class object, and it is a reference variable through which the method is called. Other uses for keyword are. So now we'll see this constructor. So this constructor used to call one constructor from the other of the same class. And let's take a so now let's see the difference between this and super keyword. So current is in this keyword, the current instance of the class is represented by this keyword, and in a super the current instance of parent class is represented by the super keyword. And in this keyword, in order to class the default constructor of the current class, we can use this keyword. And in a super keyword, in order to call a default constructor for the parent class, we can use the super keyword. So next difference is it can be referred to from a static context. It means it can be invoked from the static context. And in the super keyword, it can't refer to from a static context. It means it cannot be invoked from a static context. So next difference is we can use it to access only the current class data, members and member functions, and we can use it to access the data, members and member functions in parent class. So that's all about the today's topic. Thank you guys.